Herman pass, one of the best ways to control a card from the middle to the top. Now many people struggle with it, including me, but now I have mastered it. But today in this video I'm going to show you guys the shuffle pass. Shuffle pass is a really cool way to control a card from the middle to the top, but it's for beginners. So if you're a beginner, then make sure to stick around because you're going to learn the shuffle pass right now. So let's break that down. But first of all, I just want to say that please stick around because you're gonna learn some gems that will make it even more invisible, so that you can make this your permanent card control. Let's get started. So first of all it is just a deck of cards and nothing, and your hands obviously. So you go ahead and give it like a shuffle, and then you're going to have them choose a card. So they go ahead and pick a card. In this case, the 4 of hearts. Now, at this point, you're gonna do something similar to the Herman pass. So, the card is somewhere in the center right over here, and you get a break, like that. Okay? So now, once you have this break, here's basically what you're going to do. You're going to go ahead and come over and hold this packet, and I'm gonna do something similar to the Herman pass. So you curl your index finger in just like that, and then you take it out just like that. Okay? But instead of keeping this straight on top, you're gonna do something that will make it invisible. So you go from here, you come over here. Now once you are here, you're going to flip this over and start doing an overhand shuffle like that. Okay? So one last time, the card is on top, but let's do it one last time. So the card is selected, 7 of diamonds, goes right over there in the center of the deck. You get a break, then you go ahead, come over, extend your bottom packet like that, and you flip your hand over and do this. Okay, so now that's basically the bare bones version of the pass, but here are some gems that you can add that will make it more invisible. So here's basically what I'm going to do. You start with the pass. You have them choose a card. In this case, the 5 of clubs. Now, once you have that break, here are the 2 things that you can do. So first of all, the first thing is that you're gonna say that, now let's move on with the trick. And when you say that, the spectator gets ready to move on with the trick. But then you say that, wait, I'm forgetting something. And when you say that, the spectator looks into your eyes. And that's the best time to extend this packet, and then you say shuffling. And then you start shuffling up the cards. And that's the best way to make the pass invisible. And also, a really cool tip that if you are doing the pass, in this case the card is Ace of Clubs, get a break, and then you're gonna do that thing that I told you just now, and then you come over like this. Okay? And while doing this action, you do the move and start shuffling. So now when you add these 2 things, you can get the most invisible pass, like that. So guys, that's the shuffle pass, or the overhand pass if you can call it. And I hope you guys learned something in this video, and if you did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out and I really appreciate it. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Goodbye.